明けましておめでとうございます。今年最後の食事いただきます。
だしだしのやつだった。信州そば。
On the last day of the year, we have a tradition of eating soba in Japan. Some people go to a restaurant, but our family has always loved eating at home. We also have another tradition on the last day of the year, that is cleaning the house. We spend the whole day cleaning, so even if you usually don't have time, you kind of have to do it that day. I like it because after cleaning, I feel like my mind becomes clear too.
今年最後の食事いただきます。
だしだしのやつだった。信州そば。
今から何を作りますか？
伊達巻きです。
In addition to that, our family also prepares special New Year's breakfast called Osechi. Our tradition is to gather in one place and enjoy homemade Osechi together. It connected to the gods and represent gratitude for the past year, as well as prayers for happiness in the future.
みりん大さじ1。はい。はい、大さじ1。
誰のレシピ？
レシピだ。
秘伝のレシピ。スムーズ。
Datemaki looks similar to a Japanese omelette, but it requires extra care, as it must be rolled carefully using bamboo makisu to shape it beautifully.
膨らんでるけど、意外とね、しぼむんだよね。
美味しそう。
いや、これ巻かなきゃいけないから。グクッと押し込めながら巻く。2個ずつ。
As you can see, it may look like a lot of work, but it pays off when you eat it. Not only does it taste good, but I also love the shape. It's beautiful.
明日の朝まで一晩寝かします。
In Japan, we usually visit shrine or temple in the first few days of the new year to pray for happiness in the year ahead. This year, I went to a temple and it was much quieter than I expected, peaceful and calm. I reflected on what I experienced last year and made resolutions for the new year in my mind. Now let's see how the datemaki turns out. It looks like it came out perfectly. I was a little nervous since we only make it once a year and had almost forgotten how to do it, but we did it. Now we are making ozoni. Ozoni is a dashi-based soup with fish or chicken, and like miso soup, it varies from region to region. Since my mother is originally from Yamaguchi Prefecture, I believe our ozoni is influenced by that region. We all love our ozoni, and we are really looking forward to enjoying Osechi as the new year comes. In Japan, just like in your country, the New Year is very important. We prepare things a few days in advance, gather together, and celebrate by enjoying Osechi. Every family has different New Year traditions, and this is ours, making Osechi at home and enjoying together. And this year, we experimented and discovered a new drink for the New Year.
切り込む酒入り浅いスムージー作ってみましょうね。酒は、日本では、冬にね体が温まるので飲むとてもお米からできた発酵した飲み物なんですよ。大丈夫ですよね。これを入れて これ入れましょう。冷凍野菜。
これは浅いの
ピューレです。潰したもの、お砂糖入ってない。
ブラジルいるときよく飲みましたね。
はい、入れますね、甘酒。こっからぶったぐらい。おー、
浅い、すごい浅い。甘酒浅いスムージー。いただきます。
甘酒と浅い合うね。
How did you spend the new year? Let me know in the comment and Happy New Year to everyone!